Assalamu alaikum. This is Gulshan Khizr, and I am student of Rehan AI Teachers Institute of Level 2. Today I am here again another review on another TEDx talk, and the TEDx talk is Teach Teachers How to Create Magic. And this is TEDx talk is related to Christopher Amden. Christopher Amden basically is an educator. Is he advocates science, is also an author and a professor known for transforming teaching through culturally relevant and engaging methods. Basically, Christopher has been associated with Teachers College, Columbia University, and founded initiatives that combine education with hip hop culture to increase student engagement. This is the core point of his TEDx talk. A main idea of this TEDx talk is that teachers' education focuses heavily on theory. Uh, Teachers' education focuses on standards and content knowledge, but they often neglect the art of engaging students, and that is Amden called magic. Amden called this missing ingredient, that is the engagement of students. He called it magic. When I make a review on this TEDx talk, it was a wonderful TEDx talk and very inspiring and having a, uh great impact. Amden begins by describing a student teacher writing long academic papers. They focus on academic papers, they focus on the education, student listening to lectures about engagement that are themselves boring. And when new teachers are be here, they're struggling with lesson plans and rules. Students trying to find excuses to avoid schools. Students avoid this way of teaching that make them very boring. He argues that many teachers training programs teach theories but fail to teach how to truly captivate students. Key message of this TEDx talk is that a teacher may know a subject very well, but if students are disengaged, then where is the learning? Learning obviously learning suffers. When students have no interest, when students have no learning, then where is the learning? When students have no engagement, then the ratio of learning is zero. What is magic? That is the engagement of students. Why Amden called it magic? Basically, Amden, according to Amden, magic is the ability to capture attention, tell compelling stories. Magic is that who inspire curiosity. Magic is that who create excitement around learning, make students eager to participate. Amden describes educators who have audience on the edge of their seats, eagerly absorbing every word. He also argues that some of the best examples of engagement are found outside traditional classrooms. He points to, and these are the very good examples, barber shops, where people listen closely. Barber shop is that point where people make debates, having a debate on many ideas, and they at that point they remain engaged. Also in church, Amden use voice, emotions, rhymes, and storytelling to connect with audience. He give another example in his TEDx talk, that is rap concerts. Performers command attention through movement, confidence, language, and audience interaction. These environments teach powerful communications that educators can learn from it. Uh, One of the most strongest point of Amden is that great teachers are also great storytellers. He compares effective teachers to performers, effective teachers to motivational speakers, community leaders, and skill narrators. Because effective teachers, when they have the magic of engaging the students, they know how to build anticipation, how to create emotions, how they use their voice effectively, and how they hold attention for a long time. Um, Many people think engaging teachers are simply born with the talent. Amden basically disagrees with this quotation. He repeatedly says magic can be taught. Magic can be taught. His argument is that engagement is a skill that can be learned through observation, practice, and training. Practice makes a perfect person perfect. Amden proposes redesigning teachers' education, and it is a necessary point for academic future teachers should we leave the university classroom. They should observe real world communication. They should try to observe it. They should try to uh, enhance and it. They should try to anticipate it. Also, they can uh, enhance their ability for the real world. They can learn from community leaders, preachers, artists, storytellers, musicians. One of the most memorable part of the talk is when Amden explains the his students watch rap concerts. They study how performers move across the stage, how they use metaphors, how they communicate confidence, how they interact with the audience. The goal is not to turn teachers into rappers. The goal is to help teachers understand how to keep people engaged. This is the point of this TEDx talk. That is the engagement. That is called Amden Magic. Amden highlighted small actions that can have a huge impact. For example, a raised eyebrow, a pause, a look of expectation. Students learn better when they emotionally and intellectually engaged. They need no acting in a fake way, but using communication skills intentionally. They use their communication power. Teachers should learn from the culture and communities around their students because ground reality is very important. And according to the ground reality, they should try to communicate with their students. They should try to learn their students according to their culture. Stories make information memorable. Some of the most powerful idea from this TEDx talk include teachers want to change lives and spark magic. Content and theory alone are not enough. Magic can be taught. And this is the main point of this TEDx talk. For educators like me, because I am also an educator, a public teacher, this TEDx talk offers a practical reminder that is, subject knowledge is important, lesson planning is important, assessment is important. But students often remember how a teacher made them feel, whether they felt seen, whether learn was exciting, and whether the teacher inspired them. Emden argues that teachers' education should deliberately teach these engagement skills alongside academic content. Uh, in the last, I say one line. Christopher Edman argues that the best teachers combine knowledge with the magic of storytelling, performance, culture awareness, and audience engagement. And this is magic can be taught to everyone. This magic can be taught to, this magic will be helpful for every student. Thank you so much.